are going to eat street food today. We will have so much fun, Gattu. I have been waiting for this day for so long.
Yes, kids. So go and get ready quickly. Then I'm going to take you guys.
Gattu Chinky get ready quickly. Actually, today was their cheat day. When once every month, Mummy lets them eat their favorite street food.
Kids, ready?
Yes, Mummy.
Let's go then. I've also kept a bottle of water.
Mummy takes the kids and reaches Cow Gully, where by the time when it is evening, it becomes crowded for the street food.
Yay! We have reached Cow Gully. The vada pav here is my favorite. You are right, Gattu. Mine too. Imagine a hot vada pav with chutney. It'll be so much fun. Yes, but I'll remove that chili. I don't like too much spices at all. Yes, that's fine. But let's go first.
Come on, kids. I've parked the car.
Then Mummy goes with the kids to the Cow Gully, where their favorite vada pav stall was. Monty was also standing there.
Hey Gattu Chinky, have you also come here to eat vada pav? Namaste auntie.
Hello, namaste. How are you, Monty?
Monty, you here? If you are here, I'm sure you will do some pranks. Mummy, stay away from him.
Shh, Gattu. Why are you saying that to Monty? He hasn't even done anything.
Oh, Mummy, you don't know him.
What Gattu Chinky? Auntie is absolutely right. I haven't done anything. Come, I will give the order of vada pav to uncle for you guys also. Okay, auntie?
Thank you, Monty dear. You're very nice.
But Mummy,
Shh, Gattu. Don't say anything else.
Gattu, Monty will definitely play some prank again. We will have to be very careful. Yes, Chinky, you are right.
On the other hand, Monty goes to the uncle selling vada pav and says to him softly,
Uncle, please make 4 vada pavs and yes, put extra chili in one.
Okay, dear.
In a short while, Uncle gives Monty 4 vada pavs. First, Monty gives the vada pavs to Mummy and Chinky. And then he brings a regular vada pav and a chili vada pav. But eventually, he forgets which one has the extra chili.
Out of these two, which one is mine, Monty?
This one.
Okay, give then. No, wait. Maybe this one. What? But they are the same, right? I am taking this one. Give.
Gattu takes the vada pav from Monty. And everyone starts eating.
Wow, this is so yummy. I'm so excited.
You are right, Chinky. Very yummy.
But as Monty eats his vada pav, he starts running back and forth calling out chili, chili.
Chili. It's too spicy. Give me some water. Hey, Monty, take the water.
Monty quickly drinks all the water.
Okay, Monty. So this was your trick. You were going to feed me chili vada pav. But look, you accidentally ate it yourself.
Sorry, Gattu.
Because Mummy was there, Monty apologizes and runs away. And Gattu, Chinky and Mummy enjoy their vada pav.
Tell me, kids, what do you want to eat now?
Mummy, we came here to eat street food. Then how can we skip street style chow mein? It's impossible. Yes, Mummy. And look there. Hot chow mein is being made at the stall. What a wonderful smell is coming.
Let's go.
Mummy then orders chow mein. And Gattu, Chinky and Mummy sit on the 3 chairs and watch the people coming and going on the busy road.
So many people came here. Yes, you're right, Gattu. It is so irritating to see how many different people like this.
Kids, you guys are talking like grown-ups. By the way, you guys are having fun, aren't you?
Yes, very much.
Just then the stall owner places hot chow mein on Mummy's table along with 3 forks.
Look, our chow mein has also arrived, but eat slowly. It is hot.
Okay, mummy.
Gattu picks up the chow mein and starts blowing it.
This is so good. Extremely spicy and delicious. You are right, Gattu. I really enjoyed eating this.
Kids, after this we'll go to Chowpatty and enjoy the street food there also. We'll also get to watch a lovely sunset there.
Yes, it will be so much fun then, mummy. We'll have some cold chuskis there. And bhel puri too. Eating bhel puri while watching the sunset is something else.
Okay, kids, both bhel puri and chikki. Okay, and you know what? I am craving for ragda patties here. I am going to order them for myself. Will you guys also like to eat them?
Yes, me too. And me too.
Then Mummy, Gattu and Chinky eat hot chow mein and then the famous ragda patties from there. After this, Mummy brings them both to Chowpatty in the car.
Come on, kids. Let's take a walk on the beach for some time here. It feels so nice outside.
Yes, let's go, mummy.
Chinky says while walking.
Wow, this place looks so beautiful in the evening. And look, how many people have come here to enjoy the sunset. Yes, you are right, Chinky. Look how happily they all are enjoying their street food too. But why can't we see Uncle who sells chuskis yet? He must be somewhere around here, Gattu. Just wait and see. We'll find him.
Then after walking for a while, they spot a chuski stall. And all three grab a chuski each for themselves.
Finally, we found the chuski seller, Uncle. Uncle, I will eat the black sour. And I will eat the mango chuski. It will be so much fun to eat the chill chuski in the chilly weather.
You are right, Chinky. And Bhaiya, a black saw for me too.
Uncle gives the three of them their black sour. Here you go, kids.
Thank you, Uncle.
Then the three of them sit on the beach and enjoy both the chuski and the sunset.
Today was a super duper fantastic day, isn't it, Chinky? Yes, Gattu, you are right. I had a blast today. It was the best day of my life. And my stomach is absolutely full.
Kids, because I was with you guys, it made my day even better.
After enjoying the sunset, Mummy takes Gattu and Chinky back home.
Gattu, look! We have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.